Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off notifications on Imprint application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open Imprint application on your device and make sure to log in as well. Once you're signed into your Imprint account, go ahead and tap on your human icon at the top right hand corner. This will then open up the account details page. Go ahead and tap on the update button right next to gold notification, and to turn off notification from the app, tap on the turn off notifications option at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you will not receive any notifications from the app whatsoever. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.